Hello and welcome to our video on how ChatGPT is being used in marketing. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a large language model developed by OpenAI that has been trained on a vast amount of text data. Its ability to generate human-like text has made it a valuable tool for various industries, including marketing. One of the main ways ChatGPT is being used in marketing is for content creation. The model can be used to generate written content, such as blog posts, product descriptions, and social media posts. This can help businesses save time and resources on content creation while still producing high-quality, engaging content. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to analyze and understand customer sentiment, allowing companies to tailor their messaging and campaigns to better resonate with their target audience. Another way ChatGPT is being used in marketing is through conversational AI. The model can be integrated into chatbots and virtual assistants to provide customers with personalized and natural-sounding interactions. This can help businesses improve customer service and increase sales. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate responses to frequently asked questions, reducing the workload on customer service teams. Furthermore, ChatGPT can also help in personalization. By analyzing customer data, ChatGPT can generate personalized product recommendations and email campaigns, increasing the likelihood of customer engagement and conversion. ChatGPT can be used to generate creative ideas for advertising campaigns. By analyzing market trends and consumer behavior, ChatGPT can generate creative concepts and add copy that resonates with the target audience. ChatGPT can be used to generate translations of marketing materials, such as website content, product descriptions, and social media posts, to reach a wider audience in different languages. This can help businesses expand their reach and appeal to a global market. ChatGPT can be used to generate SEO-friendly content, including meta descriptions and keywords, to improve a website's visibility on search engines. This can help businesses increase their website traffic and reach more potential customers. ChatGPT can be used to generate personalized messages and content for influencer marketing campaigns. The model can analyze the influencer's audience and create content that resonates with them, increasing the chances of a successful campaign. ChatGPT can be used to generate personalized email content, such as subject lines and body text, to increase the chances of the email being opened and read. The model can also analyze customer data to generate personalized product recommendations and offers, which can increase conversion rates. ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging and informative content for virtual events, such as webinars and conferences. The model can create content that will attract attendees and keep them engaged throughout the event. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts and show notes for podcast episodes. The model can analyze market trends and create content that appeals to the target audience, which can help increase the podcast's listenership. ChatGPT can be used to generate interactive content, such as quizzes and polls, to engage customers and collect valuable data. The model can also be used to create personalized recommendations based on the data collected, which can improve the customer experience and increase conversions. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts and storyboards for virtual reality marketing campaigns. The model can analyze customer data and create personalized and immersive experiences that resonate with the target audience, increasing the chances of a successful campaign. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts for marketing videos, such as product demos, explainer videos, and customer testimonials. The model can analyze market trends and customer data to create engaging and informative content that appeals to the target audience. ChatGPT can be used to generate social media posts, captions, and hashtags for various platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The model can analyze customer data and market trends to create personalized and engaging content that resonates with the target audience, increasing the chances of a successful campaign. ChatGPT can be used to optimize website and app content for voice search. The model can generate keywords and phrases that are most likely to be used in voice search queries, and incorporate them into website and app content to improve visibility on voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. ChatGPT can be used to generate interactive storytelling experiences, such as choose your own adventure stories, for marketing campaigns. The model can analyze customer data and create personalized experiences that engage customers and increase brand loyalty. ChatGPT can be used to generate game elements, such as questions and challenges, for marketing campaigns. The model can analyze customer data and create personalized game experiences that engage customers and increase brand loyalty. ChatGPT can be used to generate virtual product demonstrations, such as 3D models and animations, for marketing campaigns. The model can analyze customer data and create personalized product demonstrations that appeal to the target audience. ChatGPT can be used to moderate virtual events, such as webinars and conferences. The model can generate responses to audience questions, keep the conversation flowing, and provide personalized interactions. ChatGPT can be used to analyze customer data and make predictions on future customer behavior, allowing businesses to make informed decisions on marketing strategies and campaigns. In conclusion, ChatGPT has a wide range of applications in marketing, from content creation and customer service to personalization and advertising. Its ability to generate human-like text and understand customer sentiment makes it a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.